As you can see, it's raining and not snowing. This is crazy. It's already December. Christmas is literally next week. And it's raining. I'm just wondering, guys, type in the comments if you believe in global warming, like, because this is definitely global warming. This weather climate has changed so much over the past years. And I don't think we're gonna have a white Christmas this year, guys. Whoever lives in Connecticut, I know some of you probably do. But yeah, I'm sorry that. Remember to like and subscribe to my videos. Like, it would really help out a lot. Yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you, by the way. Feel free to type in the comments of what videos you want me to post next. And I'll try to post as many as I can. Alright, peace.